After the bread is rolled, it's going to sit another half an hour to be manageable. And then once I showed the sourdough bread, it's going to be folded the way we want it, the shape that we want it. And then it's going to sit again for another 10-15 minutes to get the desired size that we are looking for. Now, in order to have a nice looking bread, what we do is different breads we treat it different. And on this particular bread, because it's a 7-grain bread, we egg wash it. And what egg wash is, we just take the egg yolk, we add a little bit of milk in it, then we get a pinch of salt. We throw a pinch of salt in order to oxidize the egg and give it that intense yellow color. And the shininess of it, the milk creates the shininess of it. And it creates a sticking surface to put something else on top of it, which in this case will be oats. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now for you.
This is my favorite bread.
Yeah, the 7-grain. All the ingredients for this comes from Germany. This is the same recipe that Klaus taught us 24 years ago.